Any ceramic coating that we may offer starts with our simple car wash. All of our other coatings that we offer above and beyond our foam spray-on add-on wax, our ceramic polymer hybrid wax, anything above that foam wax, the process is a little different. So after we get done with a simple car wash, we do what they call a paint decontamination. The paint decontamination is going to take out fallout and contaminants that are stuck or embedded in your paint that you can't get out with a normal car wash. The whole reason behind the paint decontamination is we want that paint as clean and free from any prior waxes or sealants that may be on it, and we want to get out contaminants of the paint prior to us installing any type of wax or sealant. What do we do for a paint decontamination? It's simple. The process is simple. After the simple car wash, we apply a chemical decontaminant. This would be a ferrous iron remover. We apply that to the paint. We let that sit and dwell. It does its job. The second part to a paint decontamination is a mechanical decontamination. It doesn't mean that we're coming in with machines and polishing. Mechanical means this: there's no chemicals applied other than the lubricants that are on the paint. What comes after that is we actually take synthetic clay mitts and or clay bars, and we go across the paint, we rub it across the paint, and that pulls out contaminants that are stuck that the ferrous iron remover didn't get out. The active ingredient in most iron remover and fallout removers is ammonium thioglycate. It speeds up the process of oxidation when it comes into contact with ferrous metals. It allows them to be pulled apart from the panel or the paint so they can be rinsed away easily. Check out what I'm talking about. 2001 Chevy Astrovan. That's not dirt. This is what an iron remover is meant for. Oh, this is gonna have a huge reaction. It's gonna turn purple. By far, probably the worst one I've ever done. You wait 5-10 minutes somewhere around there before you rinse. So other than giving just a regular wash, the iron remover, we didn't even clay bar anything or clay mitt anything. Just your regular iron remover. It looks way better just doing that. You can clearly see the chemical reactions. When the iron remover turns purple, that is reacting with metal particles that are stuck in the paint or embedded in the paint that it's getting out. The second part of the paint decontamination process is pretty easy. Once we get done with our car wash and we've done our ferrous iron remover, that's been rinsed off, we refoam the vehicle and we take synthetic clay mitts and we go back and forth like we're waving on the paint. And what that does is the synthetic clay mitts or clay bar will pick up contaminants in the paint that are embedded in the paint. So we're not really going for a look here or trying to get it clean. It's more of a feel. If you feel that your paint's all rough and sandpaper-like, that's what this process will eliminate. I hope this clears up what the decontamination process actually is. We want to do this process before any wax, sealants, or coatings are applied to the paints. That way they adhere better. I hope you enjoyed this video.